honors, and our most outstanding student of Pasig Campus. Once again, with honor student of Pasig Campus. And now, here are the honor students of the Guinea Campus. To begin with, Alojado Ion W.G.